Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to increase text size in Zangi. To increase text size in Zangi, simply tap open the application that is downloaded in your device. If you have not downloaded the application, you have to go to your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using and then download the Zangi application. Once you tap open the application, it will lead to this page. Here, you can see your private number, your profile information, and various other options as well. You can scroll down and you will see chats option, privacy option, notification option, data storage, and right below data storage, you will see text size. Tap on it. And now to increase the text size in Zangi, simply tap on the text format you prefer. I'll be selecting the largest one. Simply tap on it. And now you have successfully increased text size in Zangi. Increasing text size in Zangi makes chat easier to read and understand. Similarly, to decrease the text size in Zangi, you have to scroll down and then tap on text size again. Now select the text size as you prefer by simply tapping on it. And here you go, you have successfully decreased text size in Zangi as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.